In this video, I will explain another Microsoft Excel function that surely will help you while you will learn to figure out how to make a pie of the pie chart. So don't miss any part of this video as it will be skillful for you. What exactly is a pie chart? A pie chart is a graphical representation approach that uses a circular graph to display data. It is a static composite graphic that works well with few variables. Pie charts are frequently used to depict sample data, with data points belonging to various categories. Each of these categories is represented by a pie slice. Each slice's size is proportional to the number of data points in each category. How to make an Excel pie or pie chart? What exactly is a pie or pie chart? The data is depicted in a circle that resembles pie slices in a pie chart, also known as a circle chart. However, pie charts can only display a single data series, unlike other charts, such as column and line charts. Another constraint is that we cannot display any negative or zero value in a pie chart. If a negative value is used, its positive component will be shown. Furthermore, we must select the category so that the total number of classes is presented as a percentage of 100, as a complete circle represents 100%. It will appear better if we can display less than 10 categories. Else, the pie chart will become unreadable. So, let us begin by generating data for a simple pie chart, and then developing a simple pie chart based on that data. Step 1. In your spreadsheet, select the data to use for your pie chart. For more information about how pie chart data should be arranged, see Data for Pie Chart. Step 2. Click Insert. Insert pie or donut chart, and then pick the chart you want. Click the chart and then click the icons next to the chart to add finishing touches. To show, hide, or format things like axis titles or data labels, click Chart Elements. To quickly change the color or style of the chart, use the chart styles. To show or hide data in your chart, click Chart Filters. This was all from my side to guide you about this tricky Microsoft Excel's built-in function. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.